All right, guys, we're on another job today. This client found us on Google and scheduled and booked us 2 weeks ago. Today we're doing her ducts cleaning and vents, and then also 2 couches and an area rug. And she's excited. Any time we do a service, guys, we do acquire, if it's booked out, any service over $500, we do acquire a 50% down deposit, and that's what she did, no problem. And just to make sure that we lock in that date and everything is good to go. So anytime we got to block off a service date for a client, we do acquire a deposit. So that's for any service, whether we're doing hardwood, ducts, or tile, or upholstery, that is what we do. So anyway, guys, we're excited for this. We'll keep you updated on our journey and this project. And I hope you guys have a great day. It is raining, but we're here, rain or shine. All right, guys, stay tuned. Go about 35 feet. Look at that, guys. Not a bad day out there. A little bit rainy, but not too bad. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're downstairs now. We already did upstairs, got that completed. Now we're downstairs doing their supplies down here in their 2 main trunk lines. They do have 2 units. Here's a unit here. Here's a unit here. It is a bigger house. And sometimes bigger houses do have 2 units. And again, we can access the supply from over there in the other room, but we're going to make a hole here to make an access panel so we can go both directions. So they're happy about that. And then same with this one, we can access the supply over here. It has a channel vent there, as we can access it right there. But we'll make another little access panel right here. We'll drill that and make that we can go both directions, and it be easier for next time. So yeah, guys, it's gonna do it. Like I said, they're excited. This house is only 3 years old, but they do understand that the dust from the construction is a concern. And they want to get that taken care of. And again, guys, remember, anytime you have new construction, new house, baby, or you just haven't had it done, it's always a good idea to get it done every 5 to 7 years so you breathe healthier air, and it also helps improve, allergies and things of that nature. So, all right, guys, stay tuned and stay tuned for some results. Look at that, guys. Sugar and mud. All right, looks good. All right, guys, this is the return. As you can see, it's only 3 years old, and you can see just all the dust and accumulate air particulates that come through. We're getting cleaned off. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you call AO to get your ducts cleaned. Stay tuned. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're finished up. Check it out. Breathe better. Call yo. Let's go.